Hi guys, hi everybody. Thank you for
Hey,
joining our class. My name is FootboxG, and I'm the second
Ish.
member of middle school. And then there's my
My
colleague.
name is Supernova, and then I'm the first member of middle school.
Yes, and for today we made a masterclass workshop how to make and build and compose your tag team and how to find the right partner and stuff. It's
Yeah,
going to
maybe
be a
this
very
could be like a guide on how to make a tag team from
yes.
nothing. I mean,
Yes, exactly. Very well said. And this workshop will be more like a presentation with a lot of explanation, so make sure that you have something with you to take notes with. And at the end, we will have an open exercise, but this will be more like homework ish. So make sure that everything that we tell and what is new for you, make sure that you write this down because it's very important info. If you guys are ready, then let's start.
let's go.
So, Absa. So,
Okay.
these are the topics. So, in the first topic, we will discuss how to find the right tag team partner and how to do a good team building. We will talk about composing, training, and performing, which is how to make your tag team work actually, and how to battle as a tag team. Will be also like a new part right after performing because there are different things about that. The topic why counter timing in tech team is important, and maybe as you know, Supernova and I, as middle school, we do a lot of counter timing and we try to manage to build this in a very musical way. So we will show you every aspect why this is super important. Also,
Mhm.
some things to avoid as a tech team. We can speak about this a lot, especially since last GBB. There are extra tips, an open exercise like I said before, and we will have some space left for questions and answers. Good?
Good.
Super good. Let's go.
Thumbs up.
Yes. So, up. So, for the presentation, let's introduce ourselves a bit more. As middle school, we are World League Beatbox champions, so we're the current GBB champions. We won 2 times the Belgian Beatbox champion in tag team. We're a professional duo, so we often have shows together. My colleague Supernova lives in France right now. I live in Brussels, and together we share some good shows, and we try to not only do the battle, since we actually did kind of our last battle, but we try to really perform our tag teams in
Mhm.
with our battle spirit, but in a very with a very good show.
Yeah, to make it like people look at it like a music group actually, and not just like a
Yes,
beatbox tag team.
exactly. So we represent
Also,
ourselves like a band.
I think it would be yeah I think it would be important to precise like that we actually started working together seriously in 2018.
Yes, exactly. And that was actually the time when we became Belgian
So that you
champion
have
as
an
well.
idea. Yes.
And for the rest, we are also individual, like world level beatboxers and teachers in our way. So we both do professional workshops worldwide, and we also perform worldwide as
Yeah,
beatboxers.
that's actually both our major income. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So let's talk about the first topic, which is finding the right tech team partner and team building. I will talk in the first place about the very last point. At the end, there are no rules, just have fun. So if you are with your best friend and you are kind of matching as a beatboxer, which I mean, if, imagine you guys are both technical beatboxers, it's okay. You can still be creative and create your stuff together.
Mhm.
But we are going to talk about how to find the right tech team partner and how to do team building with the tech team partner where you really have strong ambitions with.
Yes, and I mean what you just said is good because even if you don't match 100% with your tag team partner, if you guys are very good friends and actually want to try to perform together, you will still learn and still develop as individuals
Yes.
making this, because tag team beatbox improves a lot the solo beatbox.
Yeah, totally. Totally.
So the first points, let's go.
Oh, I didn't get
Hello?
the last thing you said. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I don't remember. I'm sorry,
No,
I don't
it's
remember.
okay. So the first point is get to know yourself. So get to know what your real skills are, your weaknesses, your musical preferences and ambitions. So you need to know what your strong points are as an individual beatboxer, and also the
Mhm,
things you're lacking with, and also what you want to do as a tag team duo. Is it like
mhm.
battles? Is it doing concerts? Is it more? Is it like maybe even making an album together? These things you need to know for yourself,
And it's
right?
important to discuss about them directly in the beginning.
Yes,
Otherwise, you could really be disappointed,
yes,
because
exactly.
something could match with someone that doesn't have real ambitions and doesn't want to get in big championships with you, and then you can really be disappointed like this.
Yes, it can
So
a bit break your tag team, right?
yes.
So, and then also you need to, like we just said, you need to get to know your partner. You need to discuss immediately what the ambitions are, what the preferences
Hmm.
are, and stuff. Discuss
Hmm.
the ambitions very clearly, because if you really have the ambition to go very international, but one guy wants to do it for fun, it's a bit like we said before. It will kind of
Yeah.
break the tag team vibe and the connection you have.
Also, about getting to know yourself with the skills and weaknesses and so on. The well, this will lead us also to the second point, but it's important to find someone who is complementary. Ah, but this is the next point. I mean,
Yeah, yeah, it's
in
the
the
next point.
skills
Yes.
also. Yeah, for example, Footbox would be way more in the high frequencies, and I would be way more in the bass and the sub frequencies. So this is already a simple and easy match for the beginning.
Yes. Exactly. The things I naturally don't really have, he has. And that's why naturally it already fits as a tag team. And then it's just a matter of covering each
Mhm.
other up as a duo.
So
So like we
yes.
just said, make sure that you and your partner are complementary in musical frequencies. Also find someone who is not living too far from where you're at.
Hmm.
So if you are somebody from the west side of, let's just say, something from the west side of America, and somebody you want to tag team with somebody from the very east from the United States, it will be a bit hard to really train together very well or to see each other often, because the more that you don't see each other, the more you will lose connection as well. So it's very important that you can see your tag team partner often.
Especially in the beginning when you're building your tag team, you really need to like even to hang out a lot together, and like for our example, we were living not so far from each other in the beginning, so it was easy to actually build and have habits together, to get used to how our partner is beatboxing and how to beatbox with him, to get our first tag team reflexes. It's really important to yeah to see each other often, especially in the beginning, because we cannot deny that the composing grows slower since I moved to France.
Yes, that's true. That's very true. All right. And like I said in the very beginning of this, at the end, it's still okay if you want to jam with your best friend or somebody where you really like to hang out with and make tag teams with them. And this can also still work in an ambitious way. But for natural stuff with high ambitions, these are the points where you can really find the right tag team partner. And if you guys are ready,
Mhm.
we can go even to the second topic.
Thumbs up.
I Let's go. All right. So, working as a tag team includes maybe 3 things. The first thing is like composing. So when you're actually building songs or when you're making or crafting your musical ideas. Then there's the training, like how to become a stronger tag team and how to train together. And then there's the execution or the performing part, which is important.
Yep.